Toyota Motor North America, Jack Hollins.
We asked Brooklyn artist Michael Murphy to create a very special art installation of the 2020 Toyota Highlander. We then filmed a short video and it was projected on walls and buildings around the city, both last week and then again last night. Now, we really wanted to do something special because 19 years ago, right here in New York, we had a world premiere that changed the game. The 2001 Toyota Highlander was introduced and made its mark on the mid-size SUV market because back then most mid-size SUVs were all truck-based. But after that reveal, the Highlander's unibody construction with four-wheel independent suspension quickly became the template for a whole new era of more comfortable, family-friendly SUVs. And we're here to change the game all over again. Check this out. Yeah, go ahead, it's all right, sure. I clap for them too, because with our dealers, we're gonna sell a whole bunch of these babies. Now listen, the fourth generation design of this highly influential SUV sports a new, chiseled look based on the TNGA-K platform, which gives it even greater performance and comfort and safety than ever before. Built on the well-known foundation that Highlander owners have come to know and to trust, the new model takes a dramatic design direction, combining a powerful SUV presence with sophisticated detailing. Now, we've worked hard to retain the vehicle's hallmark ease of maneuverability and parking. But it adds space where it's needed. It's about 2.5 inches longer than before, and every bit of that has been added to the wheelbase to improve interior comfort and versatility. The entry-level grades have an array of great features such as smart key entry, LED headlamps, fog lamps, an 8-way powered driver's seat, and so much more. Now, if you bump up to the Limited and Platinum grades, it gets even a little bit better. The Limited gets upgrades like a hands-free power back door and premium projector headlamps, while the Platinum grade offers an all-new 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a Toyota first, and the largest in its segment. Now, the blue-gray, the hue here, you can see to my right, is our newest color, named Moon Dust. Exactly, right? Moon Dust. And all the new interior for the Platinum grade is called Glazed Caramel. Don't you love the names? It's the best. Now, this mid-size SUV also brings function to its form. Even the shape of the taillights and side mirrors contributes to the vehicle's stability as the air rushes by. And Highlander offers a choice between two advanced powertrains. Here you have a gas V6, and here you have the Toyota hybrid system. And now here's the best part of this. The 2020 Highlander Hybrid LE offers 240 horsepower and the model's best-in-class fuel economy ever at an estimated 34 combined MPG, which is a 17% improvement from the previous generation. And you take all of this while delivering the everyday acceleration, power, and responsiveness that buyers don't just expect, but buyers demand. And for the first time ever, we're introducing a 4-wheel drive version of our hybrid powertrain for those in the Sunshine States. Pretty cool. Overall, our powerful 295 horsepower V6 is available with dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive with drive mode select for improved agility and capability. What's also important in every single Toyota is Toyota's safety technology. The 2020 Highlander comes standard with our 2nd generation of Toyota Safety Sense. And standard on LE grade and above our blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. From a connectivity standpoint, we're offering an array of options. Drivers can now enjoy standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, and Wi-Fi Connect. With all of these changes, we are confident the Highlander will retain its impressive position in the premium crossover segment, which has grown exponentially since the first one rolled out nearly 20 years ago. The key to Highlander's success has been to exceed customers' expectations at every turn. Now, Chief Engineer Saiki-san and his team did a wonderful job developing all these amazing features for future Highlander customers.